Video ko.
Please raise your right hand in front of me. Alumni pledge. I, please state your name.
I, Carla June P. Versosa,
Do hereby
declare my membership
in the Johnny Young National High School Alumni Association.
in the Johnny Young National High School Alumni Association.
And with all humility and sincerity, I hereby declare my loyalty to my alma mater. I promise to hold my diploma with utmost and severe sense of responsibility. In gratitude and loyalty to my dearest alma mater, I will always endeavor to conduct my life and my acts in a manner that will be worthy of her good name and reputation. I will consecrate myself to the noble task for which she is dedicated, and to the ideas and principles for which the Department of Education stands. With the help of the Almighty, I will always work in earnest that I may live up the expectations of my beloved parents and devoted teachers. So help us God.
So help us God.